After namin nanood ng fireworks, kasi yung Deca Homes may fireworks dito. Watch our vlog kasi na-feature ko yung buong fireworks nila. First time nila dito. So kumain kami nito kasi iba na gumawa kami ng belly liempo. So wala na akong ibang hinanda guys. Ito na lang yung fruits at saka cheese. At meron kaming white juice, yung Welch. Kanina ininom namin yung red juice din. So, eto guys, enjoy na enjoy kami kasi hindi nakakaumay yung mga pagkain na prepare ko. So, banding kami, chika-chika, and eto guys, enjoy na enjoy si Mami Lay. Thank you guys for always watching Mami Lay. Please like and subscribe and please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlog namin or lakwatsa namin with our fur baby, Chloe and Cody. Happy New Year, guys!